Bill, what about for us? Any residual effects at all?
Down the shore, and not in the form of any wind or rain of significance, which is good. But yeah, the rip currents, they're, a lot of people going to the beach. It's extremely important to heed any warnings that are out there. Make sure lifeguards are nearby. In fact, let me show you. We'll start out with the tropics because it's not just Idalia that's down there off the coast of, or tip of Cuba. But, I mean, look at in the middle of your screen, essentially, there is a major hurricane right out. Now, fortunately, it's in the open water. It's not impacting either Bermuda or our country directly, but indirectly. I want to just kind of leave it on this bigger picture. This is Franklin, a Category 4 storm at this hour. Forecast to become very close to a Cat 5, and it is going to move to the north. Idalia is moving to the north as well. Paused this Wednesday morning. I paused it right around 10 o'clock in the morning, and that is when Idalia is forecast to make landfall as a major hurricane impacting north central Florida, and then that will continue to scoot across places like southern Georgia. But the Category 4 storm will remain offshore, hundreds of miles granted, but all that wind energy and then coupled by the energy from Idalia going to make for some very high surf and the potential for those rip currents as we get on into the weekend. I mean, you see it down here spinning around. Huge, huge storm. So let's leave it on the bigger picture because I want to walk you through the next couple of days. Right now, all the rainfall is off to our south, the heaviest of the rain. We got a little rain down the shore, parts of southern Delaware, but tonight, it's a mostly cloudy evening. I just stepped outside, little peaks of sunshine here and there. Not bad at all. Then our day tomorrow, here's 7 o'clock. Notice all the cloud cover up and down the I-95 corridor, really the eastern seaboard for that matter. We'll see some passing, cloudy conditions for the most part, passing showers here and there. Nothing that's crazy. We are in the general thunderstorms risk, which is a non-severe risk. That's your day tomorrow. Mostly cloudy, a light shower or two, a time or two. That's about it. It's not a washout day or anything like that. Now, Wednesday, watch what happens. We watch a cold front approach our area. So Wednesday, we see some morning showers, but what that will do is it's going to cool us off and dry us off for the end of the week. But most importantly for us, as that front moves to the south, watch this. I'm going to not pause this now from Wednesday through Thursday. There is the remnant moisture of Idalia. It's going to stay to our south, maybe as far north as Virginia Beach, perhaps the eastern shore of Virginia, but we do not anticipate this climbing up to our beaches. So if you're heading south, maybe you're going to Rehoboth or Dewey or any of those beaches to the south, I don't expect direct impacts from that. The indirect impacts, meaning the waves will kick up from that energy that's offshore. So for us, off and on showers tonight, we'll say warm and muggy with a 70-degree temperature. Tomorrow, not a huge temperature spread, probably upper 70s. Showers are possible, mostly cloudy otherwise with the muggy conditions as we talked about. Lingering showers earlier, but then we clear out on Wednesday with a temperature of 81. Then we walk into some gorgeous, gorgeous conditions the end of this week and into the weekend.
That was good.